Grammar quiz. Number 1. She blank to school every day. A. Go. B. Goes. C. Going. Correct answer is B. Goes. Number 2. They blank football yesterday. A. Played. B. Play. C. Playing. Correct answer is A. Played. Number 3. I blank a book now. A. Read. B. Am reading. C. Reads. Correct answer is B. Am reading. Number 4. He blank coffee every morning. A. Drink. B. Drinks. C. Drinking. Correct answer is B. Drinks. Number 5. We blank dinner when the phone rang. A. Have. B. Had. C. We're having. Correct answer is C. We're having. Number 6. She blank finished her homework. A. Has. B. Have. C. Having. Correct answer is A. Has. Number 7. I blank to London last year. A. Go. B. Went. C. Gone. Correct answer is B. Went. Number 8. They blank not at home. A. Is. B. Am. C. Are. Correct answer is C. Are. Number 9. Blank you like ice cream. A. Do. B. Does. C. Did. Correct answer is A. Do. Number 10. He is blank tallest boy in the class. A. B. N. C. The. Correct answer is C. The. Number 11. There blank a cat under the table. A. Is. B. Are. C. Am. Correct answer is A. Is. Number 12. I have blank apple. A. B. N. C. The. Correct answer is B. N. Number 13. They blank football yesterday. A. Than. B. Then. C. The. Correct answer is A. Than. Number 14. She can blank very well. A. Sings. B. Singing. C. Sing. Correct answer is C. Sing. Number 15. We blank watching TV now. A. Are. B. Is. C. Am. Correct answer is A. Are. Number 16. I blank never been to Japan. A. Has. B. Have. C. Had. Correct answer is B. Have. Number 17. The baby is sleeping blank. A. Quiet. B. Quietly. C. Quieter. Correct answer is B. Quietly. Number 18. This book is blank than that one. A. Interesting. B. More interesting. C. Most interesting. Correct answer is B. More interesting. Number 19. She blanked her room yesterday. A. Cleaned. B. Clean. C. Cleaning. Correct answer is A. Cleaned. Number 20. They blank lunch at noon every day. A. Has. B. Have. C. Having. Correct answer is B. Have.